Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down the federal laws cited in the recent incident at Arlington National Cemetery, where a man was arrested while praying loudly near the tomb of the unknown soldier. Many people saw the video and asked how someone could be arrested for praying in America. The answer isn't about the prayer itself, but about the specific regulations that govern conduct on federal property, especially a place as sacred as Arlington. The primary rules are found in the Code of Federal Regulations, specifically Title 32, Part 553, which covers the Army National Military Cemeteries. These aren't criminal laws in the way we normally think of them, but they are enforceable federal regulations designed to protect the unique purpose of the cemetery. The first key regulation at play is related to disturbances. Section 553.22 of the Code specifically prohibits conduct that is disorderly or creates a loud and unusual noise. It also forbids speeches and demonstrations that are not part of an authorized ceremony. In the eyes of the cemetery officials and the military police, the issue was not the content of the prayer, but its volume and the disruption it was causing. Arlington is an active cemetery and a national shrine where families are grieving and visitors expect an atmosphere of quiet reverence. The government argues that loud, demonstrative acts, even religious ones, disrupt the solemnity that these regulations are meant to protect. This brings up the First Amendment, but the right to free speech and free exercise of religion is not absolute. The Supreme Court has consistently ruled that the government can enforce reasonable time, place, and manner restrictions on these rights. A national cemetery is considered a special forum where the government has a compelling interest in maintaining a peaceful and non-disruptive environment. The second federal law likely cited was failure to comply with a lawful order. In most situations like this, officials will not immediately make an arrest. They will first approach the individual and give them a lawful order, such as a request to lower their voice, stop the disruptive activity, or move to a less sensitive area. If a person refuses to comply with that lawful order from a federal officer on federal property, that refusal itself becomes a separate chargeable offense. Therefore, the arrest was likely based on a combination of causing a disturbance in violation of cemetery regulations and then failing to obey the lawful orders of the officials who responded. It's a complex situation that highlights the tension between individual rights and the special rules required to maintain the sanctity of our nation's most hallowed ground. Thank you so much for watching this legal breakdown. If you found this explanation helpful and want more videos that explore the laws behind the headlines, please hit the like